Hello there, welcome to my channel. Your computer science evangelist is here with another lesson. In today's lesson, we will be converting from suffix expressions to infix expressions. If you are new to this channel, I would like to inform you that there is a video on how to convert from infix to suffix. I shall leave the link in the description below. Alright guys, let's get started. Converting from suffix to infix. In converting from suffix to infix, you have to know that compilers use suffix to evaluate expressions. And also, these compilers scan from left to right before they encounter an operator. When an operator is encountered, the two preceding operands are acted upon. Now, when converting from suffix to infix, there are two rules to note. Rule number 1. Scan the expression from left to right. Rule number 2. Place the closest operator between two preceding operands. Let's see some examples. Example 1. AB plus. The infix form becomes A plus B. So, as we can see, we moved the plus sign and placed it between the two preceding operands, that's A and B, as we have scanned from left to right. Another example, example 2. We have x, y star z slash. The multiplication symbol is closer to operands x and y. Therefore, we shall place it between x and y and then marry them with a bracket. Here, the two shall be 1, meaning x and y shall now be seen as a single operand. Since into bracket x star y and z have become two different operands, we can now put the division sign between them. So we can have into bracket x star y slash z. Now let's make our hands dirty with more examples. Let's convert the following suffix strings to infix or algebraic forms. Example 1. xf xy star plus k slash equal to. Scanning from left to right, you have realized that the multiplication symbol is closer to x and y as our preceding operands. Therefore, we shall place it between x and y and marry them with a bracket. Remember, this will make them as a single operand. Therefore, our expression now becomes xf into bracket x star y plus k slash equal to. The plus sign can also fall between f and into bracket x star y or bracket. Then we marry them using the bracket. Our new expression becomes x all into bracket f plus into bracket x star y k slash equal to. Now the division symbol will also fall between all into bracket f plus into bracket x star y and k. Then we marry them with a bracket. Here, our new expression becomes x as a separate operand and all into bracket f plus into bracket x star y slash k as another operand. Finally, we can place the equal to symbol between these two operands. You may choose to remove the brackets. Beautiful. Example 2. 2 3 2 star 3 slash plus. We shall place the multiplication symbol between 3 and 2 and marry them using the brackets as usual. The expression becomes 2 into bracket 3 star 2 3 slash plus. We then place the division symbol between into bracket 3 star 2 and 3 and marry them. So we have 2 all into bracket 3 times 2 slash 3 plus Finally, we may place the plus sign between 2 and all into bracket 3 times 2 slash 3, so that we can have 2 plus all into bracket 3 plus 2 slash 3. You may want to remove the brackets. Pretty nice. Try the questions below, pause the video, and work out solution per the knowledge obtained. After that, you can resume the video and check your answer afterwards. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching and see ya.